Hello all, welcome to the second session of chapter Linear Equation 1 Variable of class 8th. In this video I will be talking about exercise 2.3 and 2.4. So in this video we will be talking about the questions which have the variables on both the sides, that is LHS and the RHS. Let's start the video. The exercise 2.3, I will be doing few questions of exercise 2.3 and few questions of exercise 2.4. The question is, solve the following. Question number 1, 3x equal to 2x plus 18. So we can see that the variables are on the both the side. Let's see how we solve this. So we always collect the variables on one side, either on RHS or LHS. So whenever we transpose, again the operation will change. Here they are adding, so when 2x will come here, it will subtract. So 3x minus 2x is equal to 18. Then x is equal to 18 because 3x minus x is 1x, right? Now see another question. 2x minus 1 equal to 14 minus x. Now again variables are both the sides. So how we solve it? We transpose x first and then we transpose 1. So when we transpose x, again the sign will change, the operation will change. It is subtraction, then it would be addition. 2x minus 1 plus x equal to 14, or I can write it 2x plus x minus 1 equal to 14. 2x plus x is 3x. 3x minus 1 equal to 14. 3x is equal to 14 plus 1. वहाँ जाके ये प्लस हो गया, that is 15, and x is will be equal to 5. Right? Now see one more question like this. How we solve? Now 8x plus 4 equal to 3x minus 1 plus 7. Now remember this, whenever there is a bracket, first we always use the distributive property and open the bracket. So how we do it? Will be 8x plus 4. We multiply 3 by x, that is 3x. Then multiply 3 by minus 1, that will be minus 3 plus 7. So that will be 8x plus 4 equal to 3x plus 4. When we solve this, minus 3 plus 7, we get plus 4. Now again transpose 3x to this side, the sign will change, the operation will change. 4 to this side, again the operation will change. Now 8x minus 3x equal to 4 minus 4, 5x equal to 0, that means x is equal to 0. Now let's talk about the questions which have fractions in them. So let's see this type of question. Question number 9. 2y plus 5 by 3 equal to 26 by 3 minus y. We have to find the value of y. How we do it? Again transpose. This minus y will come here and it will be plus y plus 5 by 3 equal to 26 by 3. तो 3y plus 5 by 3 equal to 26 by 3. जब ये यहाँ जाएगा, when 5 by 3 will transpose, we will get 26 by 3 minus 5 by 3. Now 3y will be equal to, we take the LCM because we have the fractions. 26 minus 5 upon 3, 3y is equal to 21 upon 3. So 3y is equal to 7. Why? 3 1 ja 3. 3 into 7 is 21. Now y will be equal to 7 upon 3. So remember, whenever there are fractions, we have to take the LCM and solve it. Now let's move to next exercise 2.4. Question number 2. A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, one of the new numbers becomes twice the other number. What are the numbers? Remember, whenever you have question or statements, please read the question at least twice. 2 बार कम से कम पढ़िए उसको. A positive number is 5 times another number. That means we have two numbers. If 21 is added to both the numbers, अगर हम दोनों में 21 ऐड करते हैं तो जो एक नंबर है वो दूसरे नंबर से ट्वाइस हो जाएगा. तो ये जनरल बात है कि जो छोटा नंबर होगा और एक बड़ा नंबर होगा, जो 5 टाइम्स वो बड़ा नंबर होगा, तो बड़ा नंबर ही छोटे नंबर से ट्वाइस हो जाएगा. तो लेट्स सी हाउ वी राइट द स्टेटमेंट्स एंड हाउ वी डू इट. अगर एक नंबर x है तो सेकंड नंबर क्या होगा? 5x. कंडीशन 1 5 टाइम्स, राइट. कंडीशन नंबर 2 क्या हमारे पास कि 21 हमने ऐड करना है, तो x प्लस 21 एंड 5x प्लस 21. Then it is saying when we add 2 21, then one of the new numbers becomes twice of the other number. जो एक नंबर है वो दूसरे का डबल हो जाएगा. तो 5x 21 will be equal to 2x plus 21. अगेन ब्रैकेट है तो पहले डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी से सॉल्व करेंगे. वी विल गेट 5x प्लस 21 इक्वल टू 2x प्लस 42. 2 into x, 2 into x and 2 into 21. Right? Now again transpose. 2x will come here, operation will change, addition, then subtraction. 21 will go there, operation will change, addition, subtraction. We will get 3x equal to 21, then x is equal to 7. So what are the numbers? Because the first number was x, the first number is 7, and second number was 5x, that means 7 into 5, which is 35. You can also put the values and check your answers. Like you can put values here also, 7, whether they satisfy this situations or not. Right? So this is a way. Now next question of this exercise, question number 3. The sum of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digit, it is found the resulting number is greater than the original number by 27. What is a 2-digit number? Again, sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? Remember, whenever you have the question regarding to numbers, you have to think of the place values. आपको प्लेस वैल्यू का ध्यान रखना है. अगर 2-digit नंबर है तो आपके पास एक 1s होगा और एक 10s होगा. Remember the place value, remember the expanded form. How will we write 24? If we have 24, how will we write this? We will write 20 plus 4. So again, so if a unit place, this place, unit place is x, this place is x, and we are saying the sum is 9, so the second place will be 9 minus x. Right? Now the number will be this number, जो 10th place पर है 10 से मल्टीप्लाई किया और जो 1st place पर है उसको 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, तो x plus 10 multiply 9 minus x. Now will we interchange? The number will become 42. If the number will become 42, how will we write? 40 plus 2, that is 4 into 10 plus 2 into 1. So when we interchange, this 1's place will multiply by 10 and the 10's place will remain same. Now the condition was saying, this was conditions, give interchange. The second condition was saying that the new number is greater than the second number by 27. That means the new number is equal to original plus 27. This is our new number after the condition and this is our old number. So this will be the condition, 10x plus 9 minus x equal to x plus 10, 9 minus x plus 27. Again there is a bracket. So first we will use the distributive property and we solve the bracket. So when we transpose the numbers, okay, we get this number 9x plus 9x equal to 117 minus 9, because this is 90 plus 27 is 117. Now when we solve, we get x is equal to 6. That means the unit place is 6 and the 10th place is 3. So the number is 36. Right? One more question from this exercise. Shobha's mother present age is 6 times the Shobha's present age. 6 times present age. Shobha's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of the mother's present age. Now Shobha's age 5 years from now and will be equal to the 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? Remember to read the question twice और जो important points हैं उनको underline कर लीजिए ऐसे. So if we see, if we take Shobha's present age be x years, so mother's age 6s. Why? Because it is 6 times. So it will be 6 into x. Right? Now after 5 years, 5 साल बाद क्या एज होगी? उसकी एज अभी x है, 5 साल बाद x plus 5 होगी. तो what is condition? Shobha एज 5 years from now, आज से 5 साल बाद उसकी एज 1/3 होगी उसकी मदर की प्रेजेंट एज से, जो अभी एज क्या है उनकी एज है 6x. तो 5 साल बाद की कंडीशन क्या है कि x plus 5 जब होगा तो 1/3 6x के होगा, 1/3 ऑफ द प्रेजेंट एज. दिस इज प्रेजेंट एज 6x. तो 3 will be cut, will be 2x, then x will be equal to 5. So the Shobha's present age will be 5 years and mother's age is 6 into 5, that is 30 years. Even you can check if 5 plus 5 equal to 10, right? and 1/3 into 30 is equal to also 10. So the answers remain same. That means our answer is correct. Now the last question which we are doing is this very important question. Half of a herd of a deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. Half of a herd of a deer are grazing. Herd means झुंड. Is grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining बचे हुए are nearby, playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water. Find the number of deers. तो if we see, अगर x हमारे पास पूरे सारे मिलाकर डियर्स हैं, उनका झुंड है, तो उनमें से हाफ तो चले गए ग्रेज करने, घास खाने के लिए. अब 3/4 ऑफ द रिमेनिंग कितने बचे? हाफ चले गए तो कितने बचे? हाफ. तो नंबर ऑफ डियर्स जो बचे हमारे पास वो बचे हाफ. हाफ का कितना खेलने गए हैं? 3/4. रिमेनिंग आर प्लेइंग नियर बाई. 3/4 ऑफ द रिमेनिंग, तो 3/4 ऑफ द हाफ, तो हमारा कितना आया? 3/8x. सो अब हमारी कंडीशन क्या बनती है? हमारी कंडीशन बनती है कि x/2 जो घास खाने गए हैं, 3x/8 जो खेल रहे हैं, और जो बचे हुए 9 हैं जो पानी पी रहे हैं, इनका सम कितना होगा? x. इनका सम कितना होगा? टोटल x. तो व्हेन वी सॉल्व दिस, अगेन हमने इनको ट्रांसपोज किया. यहाँ एडिशन था तो ये वहाँ जाके सब्ट्रैक्शन में गए. वी सब्ट्रैक्टेड दिस. We use a bracket to make the calculation easy. We solve this bracket first. We got, take the LCM, 4x plus 3x upon 8. Then and 9 is equal to x minus 7x upon 8. Again the LCM, fraction से बिना LCM के solve नहीं होंगे. 8x minus 7x upon 8. You will get 9 is equal to x upon 8. Now 8 is in divide, तो वहाँ जाके क्या होगा? Multiply, तो 9 plus 8 is equal to 72. So the number of deers we are having is 72. That means x जो हमारा आया वो कितना आया? 72. Right? I hope you have understood the questions and you will be able to do the other questions. And remember to do पढ़ाई from your घर, पढ़ाई घर से. Thank you.